A very good morning, students. Hope your study is going very well and all of you revise now all chapters. Okay, then let's start today's classes, students. So everyone open your revision copy. Ready with your revision copy, sharp your pencil, everything. In this science class, today we will do the revision work of all chapters. Okay, here I mention now the syllabus in short. Chapter 10, Chapter 11, Chapter 10, Water for All, Chapter 11, Sunlight and Shadow, and Chapter 13 is Going to the Moon. This is the syllabus of your annual examination. The maximum marks is 90, time is 90 minutes, 90 minute. Okay, number of question is 45 in science subject and all question are MCQs. Okay, your exam mode is online. Hope all things are understood now. Last time your exam is going on online mode, same pattern is follow here. Okay, in the annual examination. So student, best of luck for your annual exam and ready with your revision copy. Let's start today's classes. Today's date is 1st March 2021. This is the revision test paper. Revision test paper 2. Okay, those students, if you are not done your revision test paper, watch my previous video and all of you practice now that type of sum, that type of question answer. Okay, this is good for you because that test paper is based on 3 chapters, chapter 10, 11 and 30. Okay, and so everyone practice that it. This is the revision test paper 2 based on chapter 10, 11 and 13. Okay, I am start now here the first question. Question number 1 is in your exam, it is a fill in the blanks. Fill in the process in which steam means water vapor, steam change into liquid. What is the process? A option will here vaporization, B option will here collection, then C is both means A and B, and the D is condensation. This is condensation. Okay, first I am writing now the question, after that I will discuss with you. Then question number 2 is it blocks the path of light to form a shadow. Okay, A option will here object, B option will here candle. Candle. C is sun. And D is none of these. None of these. Okay. Then move to the question number 3 is. Question number 3 is. Next question is. Change in the form. Change in the form of water in nature is called dash. A option will here collection. B is rainwater. Then C is water cycle. Then these. None of these. Okay, students. These are the 3 questions. First, I will start. Here is the explanation of these questions. The process in which steam change into liquid. It means here is steam. Steam means water vapor. It change into liquid. It means it is a condense. C for cool, C for condense. Always you remember it. When the steam change into liquid, this process is called condensation. So your D option will here correct. So everyone better choose your D option. Move to the question number 2. Question number 2 is, it blocked the path of light to form a shadow. Here the options are object. Object means any object that block the path of light. Sun, it is the source of light. Candle, it is also source of light here. And none of these. Here is the confusing word. Candle, here is, don't confuse here student. Here is a candle, here is a object. I know it, candle is a object. But your better option is here is object. Here candle is a source of light. Okay. So your better option is a object. So all of you go with object. Your right option will here object. You have to choose now this object. Okay. Always you remember object block the path of light. Okay. If there is a candle and object, so what is the right option? The right option is the object, any object. Look at here, this is the object. This is the object, here is a shadow. Okay. This object block the path of light. Okay. So, your right option will here object. A option will here correct. Then move to the question number 3. In question number 3, change in the form of water in the nature is called collection. No. Rainwater, it is a source of water. Water cycle is right option. So all of you choose here C option. Water cycle. Right now everyone, these 3 questions in your copy. Note down these 4 questions. Question number 4, look at here everyone. Cannot grow on the moon. Option A, plants. B, flowers. Both. Both means A and B. Okay. Then D is all of the above. It means all 3. Understand? Cannot grow. You know it very well. There is a no water, no air, no atmosphere. That's why all things cannot grow on the moon. That's why plants, flower, this wrong. C, both. It's a wrong. Right option will here D. All of the above. It means all of the above are not grow on the moon. That's why D option will here correct. In the exam, students, read each and every question very carefully. There is some confusing words. Okay, so don't confuse in the exam. Read each and every sentence very carefully. Okay, that's why here D option will here correct. All of above. Plants are not grow, flowers are not grow. Both means both are not grow. All of the above, it means all are not grow on the moon. That's why D option will here correct. Question number 5. Moon takes nearly days to go around the earth. How many days take a one round? Moon. 20, 28, 26, 24. It's the 28 days. Your B option will here correct. Okay. Always you remember moon takes nearly 28 days to go around the earth. Then question number 6 is the changing the shape of the moon are called phases of the moon, half moon, full moon, new moon. These are the parts of phases of the moon. Half moon, full moon and new moon. It means these are the parts of the phases of the moon. Your right option will here A. The changing here is not the changing shape of the moon are called phases of the moon. Your A option will here correct. Okay, all students choose here A option and everyone right now. Then question number B is choose the correct option. Okay, correct option. Okay, question number, this is the question number 7. So everyone right now, question number 7 is the natural satellite of the earth is the natural satellite of the earth is dash. A option will here Mars, B sun, C moon, then D is none of these. None of these. Then question number 8 is everyone right now. Question number 8 is sea water is. Sea water is. What is the taste of sea water? Tell me, anyone? Tell me students. It is sea water is sweet. I don't know. B. It's a salty. Then C is bitter. Bitter. Then D is none of these. None of these. Then question number 9 is everyone right now. The moon gets its light. The moon get its light from the dash. The option will here A sun, B earth, D is star, and E, sorry, this is a C and this is a D. None of these. None of these. Okay. Then last question is question number 10. Question number 10 is water on the earth is water on the earth is found in forms. How many forms? Okay, forms. A1, B2, C3, C4, and D is 3. Okay, students. Then come to the question number 7, all of you. The natural satellite of the earth is, you know very well, it is a moon. So your right option will here C. Okay, Mars, it is a planet, Sun is a star, none of these, this is a wrong. Okay, then move to the question number 2, question number 8. Sea water is sweet? No, it's a salty. Yes, it is a salty. Sea water is a salty, it is a saline. Okay, so A option will is wrong. C is bitter. Bitter means kadwa. No. None of these. No. Right option will here is salty and saline. Both words are same. Question number 9. Maybe in the exam there is a salty, maybe saline. Both words are same. So don't confuse. Okay. Question number 9 is the moon gets its light from the dash. Option will here sun, B earth, C star, D none of these. The moon gets its light from the sun. Here is a two confusing options, sun and star. You know very well, sun is a star. Sun is a star and you know it. Beta, the moon gets its light from the sun. Okay, not a star. You know it, sun is a star. But your right option will here A option, sun. Maybe its option is changed now. It's a A, it's a D, it's a C. You have to choose now only sun. Moon is shining by the reflected sunlight. Always you remember. Okay, so your option A is correct. Don't confuse here. Okay. Then last question is today's revision test paper 2. Water on the earth is found in dash forms. It means on the earth, how many forms of water are found? It is the 3 form: solid, liquid and gas. So it's where is a 3? No, it's a wrong, it's a wrong, it's a D option will here correct. Water on the earth is found in 3 forms. Okay, I hope all questions all of you do now very well in your copy and all doubts are clear now. Okay, so don't confuse beta, all things clear, each and everything you have to clear now for very well, and all of you do your exam very well. Okay, and read all things, all lines very carefully. And one more things beta, during the exam time, your time is 90 minutes. Each question you have to sufficient time. Before 10 to 15 minutes, if your paper is done now, then you have to submit now. Okay, maybe there is some network issue. So you have to submit your test paper on time. Okay, before 10 to 15 minutes, because in the last moment there is a very busy network. Mostly students send their question paper. So this is the problem for you. So everyone do your paper very well. Till then, have a nice day. In next class, we will do the next paper.